Good. Join the Blue Hair Army. How about the Blue? I have an avatar today with just updated his face avatar. I think my avatar creator, yeah. My updated avatar is still loading. Let me do. Join the Blue Hair Army. This word. This. You join the orange. Blue the
Sino?
where the hair. Cannot touch the hair. Friend me. Just look. Friend me.
Maka-50 lang maghapon. Kung si Ryan si walang sundaan eh. Si Ino. 50.
Shout out to bees. Hey, it's gonna be a woo. By the way, I'm gonna reveal glitches in Brookhaven. More secrets. Type wolf in chat. Look. Oh, look at that. I'm a ballerina cappuccina. Wait.
Si Toto magbabalot na rin. Toto, ikaw na lang pala may iwan dito.
I'm a flying. A library. Is it here? No, no, no. Not here. Oh, that's a cool house. A new restaurant! Oh, it's replaced Burger Bar.
Gano'n ko ng minuto. Bukas na.
Oh, food truck. Let's check out the like the music. Listen to that. Not that music in the background. Ooh, seagull.
Yung sa, ano po, tato ko ng experience.
That's our new food too. Look.
Yung sugar, wala, normal. Cholesterol.
Go to the library.
Parang may dumodobo yung sa ganito.
Or just people. It's my updated version. And just Rondo. This is the story to do.
Mga margarine. Ang pababa, peanut, mani.
The book. Library.
Ngayon ako
The
nakabukado.
library. Go here.
Ngayon ako yun. 250 rubles.
And grab this.
Dalawa na ang laman. Maraming para.
Look. There's a book. It's gonna shoot.
Pinapasa ko sa AI yung mga
It's you, the one there.
yung
Popcorn. Let's go.
urine ko meron mga ano.
Where's his hair? Where my hair?
Bacteria.
Gone. In front of me.
0.75 eh 0.70 lang ang pang
Restaurant. I thought we changed
yung x-ray ko.
the meat.
Okay naman.
Where's the thing? Let's find it. It's the same thing.
Glucose. 5.55. Kaya ang nakalagay dun eh. 4 to 6.5 normal.
And this today it's not gonna respawn. That's faster. Oh, it's not a faster way though. What's the audio this? Look.
Tama pala yung paggaano ko ng dugo. Pag ginaano ko yung 5.6, 5.5.
Follow.
Tama pala
The
yun.
icon. And you can go through this. And you can decorate your base. Oh, we can see you. Oh no. You can get stuck there too. You can stop the plane facing down. Go to the swimming pool. There's there's a secret in
Ay,
here.
pabuksan to, ayaw mo.
Oh, okay, once I'm gonna drink it
Mamaya mo na
after.
inumin.
I'm gonna drink it after the video.
After pa ng baby.
You
Wala nang lamig yan.
lay down. Look, look, look at this. Look, look. You will take it takes a long time. We are. Oh, ah, what? That's a secret. Oh my goodness gracious. That can happen too.
Dapat pala masa ng palo ka na lang. Ano?
Like Noah. Look. Ah, my goodness gracious. Come on, magtatamat. You can also fly.
Okay.
Let's respawn. Oh my god. That actually was it. I flied out of the map. That was freaking sick, guys. Wait. The whole thing's new too. Look. It's a new car. And there's the
Saan
ticket.
punta rin si ate?
New epic. New house. Very small.
Doon na lang sa pang.
This house. It's a new house.
Sila gumagawa ni Perman.
What's a new house?
Nagpapakain ng
It's not
agit ni Perman
a
eh.
new house.
Si Kano.
The blue team. Blue army.
Tatawa nga ka ngayon eh. Oh, sino ako nagpakain ng
Let
ano?
me rub this
Nakatapat
down.
siya ng ibig ng tubig. Ibigyan ng tubig.
That's how
Mamaya ako kahon ba bibigyan yan eh.
what to do.
Yan daw mga baby, hindi ko na binigyan. Pag papakain na rin ni Julian, sasabay na, parang di na.
You can do you can see the item, you know.
Ay, hindi nila de ako nag-ano.
Oh,
Ganda naman ng picture mo.
are you very serious? You can go on top the roof by doing this.
Ganda naman ng picture mo, Toto.
Don't be there. You are nothing. You sorry. Look, I have a new car.
Parang niyuping lata.
It's one. I mean, first floor. It's floating.
Yung ba yun, Don? Hindi, yun. Ay, ba tayo mundo na lang? Yan na yan, saksak mo.
You can grab the food. And turn. Yeah. Okay. There's a couple here. Record them.
Ako na yun.
There's a couple. Look at them. And you're the blue hair on me today.
No.
That hurts. Like no. That's good. I'm having to. Yeah. You can ride the skin. Wireless. Confirmed. You can fly 200 meters. Already confirmed by Toto Boto. He told me to like Toto Boto. So out minutes. You can go.
Ano taga Malolos?
Oh, you can get on the top.
Supernatural.
There's something here. You can play basketball. Confirm it. Not confirm it. Secrets. But it's already confirmed. There's a campsite here. Confirmed. You can put out the fire. It's confirmed. Martin. It is like probably everyone ignores this because it's so isolated area. Who wants to be there? There's a door inside of that building. I'm gonna confirm it. You can spawn the seaboat. Yes, you can actually spawn seaboat. Not like this, but just on the dock. Look, I can spawn the boat. Oh, you can spawn these boats though. The door. The door. Open the lights. Please. Remove the door. And video. Like and subscribe. Okay. Join the Blue Hair Army today.